Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Now today we just want to talk about why you're not getting better at your cybersecurity skills and your IT skills, your networking skills, why you're not getting better and how you can get better, right? Now there are two reasons in my opinion why it seems like you feel that you're in the same spot and you're not learning anything. You've been doing this for a while, but if kind of feel like you're not getting to the level that you want to get to or the next level. Now, the first reason for that, in my opinion, is you're focused on too much certifications and degrees and credentials. Okay, now remember the credentials have a part to play. And getting your certifications and degrees, like I've said in many other videos, it is valuable. And like I said, it does have its part to play and a reason why you should get it, right? But that's not the only thing you need to be focused on, and you should not be hell-bent on it and overly focused on it, okay? It looks good to have it, but that's not what's going to get you better. Now, the second thing that is stopping you from really learning and taking in the information that you really need to be taking in to be a top-notch cybersecurity, IT, networking professional is you're focusing on too many things at once. Okay, you're doing too many things at once. Remember, the guys that been doing this 10 years, 20 years, they still don't know everything because there's too many things to learn. Okay, there's too much technology to learn. And what makes it even worse is things change over time. The technology grows, right? The technology changes. The technology is getting more advanced. So with this type of field, you know, information technology, information security in general, you have to stay learning consistently. You have to practice consistently. You cannot get stagnant. And if it was like where whatever technology they created in 1998, it stayed like that till this day, then it would be way more easier for you to kind of learn everything about information technology and information security, right? Because nothing is changing, nothing is getting better. It's just the same thing. It's like a car, right? If the first car that was ever made is the same type of car we drove up till this day, all we would need to know is that specific model, that specific car, how it works, whatever the case may be, and just grow, and keep learning, right? Because we know that this would never change, but that's not the case with anything in life, right? As the years go by, technology advance, things might seem like it's getting easier, but in reality, some of the things kind of get more complicated to understand, right? It takes a lot more for you to kind of get how everything is working. There's always going to have too many things for you to learn, so stop trying to learn everything at once, all right? Now, with all of this being said, my recommendation, right, and this is coming from a person that has his degree. I'm still in college currently. I have many certifications and stuff, and in my opinion, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're getting hands-on experience. Whether you're getting the experience with actual devices that you're creating at home, or you're doing it through virtual machines, or you're doing it through a platform like Try Hack Me and Hack the Box and these different things. And also, I promise you, there are people out here that have very good courses, bro. Like if you're into cybersecurity and you check out Josh Mattercore's internship courses, and you check out Occupy the Web, Hackers Arise website and stuff like that, like there are people out here that they understand what it takes to actually be successful in this field, and they have great courses, right, that help you specialize in certain different areas versus just trying to learn everything and just throwing information at you, right? And they help you get the hands-on experience. They help you build your lab, right? They help you get that experience that you would need when you are actually in the field, right? So focus on getting that hands-on experience. Just focus on it out the gate. As soon as you start, as soon as you decide this is what you want to do, start trying to set up virtual machines, whatever the case may be. Make sure you focus on getting that hands-on experience. All right. Now, the second thing that you need to do is make sure, like I said in my last video, I think it's the last video that I posted, the next thing you need to make sure that you do is focus on one thing. Okay? Figure out what exact field you're trying to work in. Do you want to be a SOC analyst? Do you want to be a hacker? Do you want to be a network engineer? Figure out what exact role in information technology, information security that you want, and then shape your training specifically around that. Okay? Niche it down, niche your training down to specifically that. So in that way, you don't feel like you're learning all this different information, you're learning all these words, these acronyms, all this stuff, but then you still feel like you can't really do nothing. You feel like, oh, I can't really be a network engineer. Oh, I can't be a SOC analyst. You know, you still feel like, okay, if I get put in this role, how do I perform this job? If you still asking yourself that question, then you need to niche down your training specifically to the role that you want to carry out in this field. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.